That was delicious, said King Rollo after dinner. Ah, yes, really delicious, said the magician. In fact, we'll wash up for you as a treat, King Rollo said to Cook. Oh, yes, said the magician. King Rollo and the magician carried the dishes into the kitchen. Wash them up by magic, King Rollo said to the magician. That would be cheating. Cook doesn't use magic, said the magician. Oh, all right. I'll wash and you wipe, said King Rollo. He washed the first plate. Then he washed the second plate. It was going to be a slow job. Not even a little magic? King Rollo asked hopefully. Cook doesn't use magic, sighed the magician. All right, you wash and I'll wipe, said King Rollo. The magician washed a plate and passed it to King Rollo. King Rollo dropped the plate and it smashed on the floor. Now look what you've done, said King Rollo. Now look what you've done, said the magician. Shh, said the magician. Cook is coming. Quickly, the magician made a magic spell. At once, the plate was mended and dry. King Rollo looked at the rest of the dirty dishes. Then he looked at the magician. The magician looked at King Rollo. Then he looked at the rest of the dirty dishes. He made another magic spell. At once, all the dishes were clean and dry. Then Cook came in. Well done, she said. You've washed them just as quickly as I could have. But of course, she added, there were two of you.